magbabago patungo sa pag-asenso. Magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Bagong malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Kagandahan at talento ang makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras. Bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na pagbabago, tuloy natin ay gawing maaliwanag. Marami ang magandang bukas, bunga ng bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na. Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong na maunlarin ang mahal na ilan. Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong na paunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na magbabago at ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na bawat mamamayan dito sa atin. Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso. Magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Bagong malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. pagbabago. Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong na paunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na magbabago at ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na maging tungkulin.
Let us bow our heads, please our souls with questions to God. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come to you today asking for your guidance, wisdom, and support. Contracting the innumerable status, to feed us with your grace, to make it and us for days, in the glory of we ask this things in your name. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Engineer Rilano, please give the roll call.
Good morning. For the attendance for this committee conference, November 29, 2024. For the BAC chairperson, Ma'am Belen J. Humeras. For the BAC vice chairman, Engineer Pedro B. Convention Jr. For the BAC members, Engineer Maria Nunila T. Imata, Engineer Leia Pagnepes, Sir Eugene A. Haya. For the BAC TWG members, Sir Eusebio Bandoy, present. Ma'am Wilber Marquez, Engineer Philip S. Esquivel, Engineer Eleanor Rodo, and Engineer Rosalie G. Chan. And for the procurement unit, BAC Secretariat, um, Sir Ma'am Milagro Bandro, Tony Rilano, present, and Alfredo for and for the we don't have servers and contractors. That's
So, for our briefing conference today, we have already the 14, so it's 14, so we have. The survey is 14, yesterday it was only 6, so now it's 14. So, contract ID 25 IC 0040, 25 IC 0045, 25 IC 0052, 25 IC 0055, 25 IC 0060, 25 IC 0062, 25 IC 0063, 25 IC 0064, 25 IC 0067, 25 IC 0069, 25 IC 0070, 25 IC 0071, 25 IC 0072, and the last is 25 IC 0087. So, Engineer Milano, for planning, guys, we discuss the technical.
thank you. So for the first project, 25 ICs, 25 IC 0040, rehabilitation of multipurpose building, registry of deeds, province of Leyte, government center, Barangay Candaho, Palo, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 7,425,000 pesos, and the contract duration is 114 calendar days and 19 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos, and the major categories of works is DIR, buildings repair. For the type of work, this is rehabilitation and major repair of multipurpose building. For the scope of works, For the other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization, earthworks. This includes the removal of structures and obstruction, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, gravel pit. For reinforced concrete, this includes the structural concrete 4,000 site class A 28 days, fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar grade 4D, and installation of formworks and false works. For masonry work, this includes the installation of CHD non-wood bearing, including reinforcing steel bar with thickness of 100 mm. Fabricated materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, installation of finishing hardware, steel doors and frames, aluminum glass window door, swing type, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, folding type, and fixed type. Installation of wooden doors and windows, PVC doors and frames, and metal structure accessories. For the finishing works, this includes the installation of ceiling 4.5 mm metal frame fiber cement board, installation of glaze tiles and trims and glaze tiles, synthetic granite tiles, cement floor finish with floor hardener, cement plaster finish, installation of railing, painting works. This includes the painting works masonry and concrete, painting works and steel. For the roofing works, this includes the installation of fabricated metal roofing accessory, reach 26, with 0.551 mm ridge and cap roots, flashings, and installation of repainted metal sheets about 0.427 mm corrugated top long span. For the plumbing works, this includes the sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, and cold water lines. For electrical works, this includes the routing of conduits and boxes and fittings, wires and wiring devices, installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures and lamps. For mechanical works, this includes the installation of ventilating equipment, air conditioning package and split of road, Barangay San Miguel to Barangay Antipolo, Tanawan, Leyte. Approved budget for the contract is 14,700,000 pesos. A contract duration of 113 calendar days and 9 predetermined calendar days. The cost of building documents is 25,000 pesos. The major categories of works is RCP roads construction, PCCP, and for the type of work is construction of concrete road with a total length of 1.739 lane kilometer, 2 lanes. And for the scope of works, for other general requirements, this includes the miscellaneous sorting and staging, installation of project billboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. And for the earthworks, this includes the clearing and grabbing, removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures. And for the earthworks, this includes the clearing and grabbing, removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures and obstruction, 0.20 meters thickness, PCCP and reinforced, structure excavation common soil, excavation ordered below plan elevation, shoring curving and related works, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from borrowed common soil, and subgrade preparation, common material. And for the surface and base courses, these includes the screening and compaction of aggregate surface course. And for the surface courses, this includes the completing of carriageway pavement and reinforced 7.20 meters thickness for buildings. Under bridge construction, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, and structural concrete 27.58 megapascal class A 28 days. And for the drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the installation and digging of pipe culverts class 2 RCPC, stone masonry, and hand rock embankment. For the reinforced concrete, this includes the lean concrete. And for the minimum equipment, transit mixer, backhoe, bulldozer, payloader, cargo and service truck, concrete vibrator, backhoe, dump truck, payloader, concrete saw, vibratory ruler, water truck and pump, asphalt distributor, wide, power broom toe type, asphalt deliver, pneumatic tire roller, and tandem steel roller. And for the next project is 25 IC0052, rehabilitation of road, Barangay Camere, Tanawan, Leyte. Approved budget for the contract is 14,700,000 pesos. And the contract duration is 78 calendar days with 11 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. The major categories of works is RRP, Roads Rehabilitation, PCCP. For the type of work, rehabilitation of paved road with a total length of 3.169 lane kilometer, 2 lanes. And for the scope of works, for other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, miscellaneous survey and statement, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and immobilization. For the earthworks, this includes the clearing and grubbing, removal of trees 150 to 300 mm diameter and 301 to 500 mm diameter. Removal of structures and obstruction, 0.23 meters thickness, PCCP, and reinforced. For structure excavation common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation common soil, embankment from borrowed common soil, and subgrade preparation common material. And for the sub-base and base course, this includes the spreading and compaction that aggregates sub-base course. For surface courses, this includes the complete pouring of carriageway and reinforced 0.20 meters thickness, 14 days. For the drainage and slope protection works, this includes the stone masonry. And for the miscellaneous structures, this includes the furnishing and transplanting of trees. And for the minimum equipment, transit mixer, dump truck, backhoe, bulldozer, trade loader, motorized road grader, vibratory ruler, water truck and pump, cargo and service truck, concrete vibrator, one bagger mixer, concrete screeder, water truss street, and concrete zone. For the next project is 25 IC0055. Contract name is Asset Preservation Program, Preventive Maintenance. Duration is 100 calendar days and determined calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is determined calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 50,000 pesos. The type of work is preventive maintenance of road asphalt overlay with a total length of 4.404 lane kilometer for lanes. And for the major categories of works, RCA, roads, construction, asphalt. And for the scope of works, for other general requirements, this includes the installation of traffic labor, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. For the earthworks, this includes the removal of actual structures and obstruction, 0.23 meters thickness, PCC, and reinforced. And for the sub-base and base course, this includes the spreading and compaction of aggregate sub-base course. And for the surface course, this includes the complete pouring of carriageway with 0.28 meters thickness, 7 trees. Emulsified asphalt, bituminous concrete surface reinforced, half blade 50 mm. And for the miscellaneous structures, this includes the application of reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white and yellow. And for the minimum equipment, backhoe breaker, payloader, dump truck, motorized road grader with scarifier, vibratory ruler, water truck and pump distributor, 10 feet wide, power broom, type 2 meters wide, asphalt grader, pneumatic tire roller, tandem steel ruler, concrete grader with water truss grid, cargo and service truck, one bagger mixer, backhoe, transit mixer, and motorized road grader. For the next project is 25 IC0060. Network development, program, road widening, tertiary roads, Matinit San Miguel, Central Road along station units, K7945 plus 000 to K7946 plus 865. The contract location is in San Miguel, Lintec. The approved budget for the contract is 39,200,000 pesos. And the contract duration is 248 calendar days and 19 predetermined calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. The type of work is road widening. The total length for this project, this has see two civil works. For the civil works one, road widening 1.73 kilometer two lanes, and for civil works two, slope protection with an area of 963.354 square meter stone masonry. And for the major categories of works, RCP roads construction PCCP. And for the other category, which is the minor category of works, RCSPS roads, construction asphalt, construction slope protection using structural measures, revetment, retaining structures, and wiring. And for the scope of works, other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, miscellaneous survey and staking, installation of project billboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. And for earthworks, this includes the clearing and grabbing, individual removal of trees 150 to 300 mm diameter, and 301 to 500 mm diameter small. Removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures and obstruction, 0.23 meters thickness, PCCP and reinforced. Structure excavation, common soil, excavation ordered below plant elevation, shoring cribbing and related works for cribbing and copper gummy. Embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from borrow, common soil, sub-grade preparation, common material. For sub-base and base course, this includes the spreading and compaction of aggregate sub-base course. For the surface course, this includes the concrete pouring of carriageway with 0.28 meters thickness, 7 days. And for bridge construction, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar grade 40, structural concrete 27.58 gigapascal, class C 28 days. And for the miscellaneous structures, this includes the furnishing and transplanting of trees, application of thermoplastic pavement, markings of white and yellow, plain and reinforced concrete works. This includes the lean concrete. And for the finishing and other civil works, this includes the metal structure accessories. And for the drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the laying and installation of pipe culverts, class 4 RCPC, stone masonry, and hand laid rock in Bakungan. And for the minimum equipment, cargo and service truck, dump truck, tank loader, bulldozer, backhoe, motorized road grader, vibratory ruler, water truck and pump, concrete spreader, water truck screed, one bagger mixer, plate compactor, backhoe wheel mounted, cargo and service truck, applicator machine, kneading machine, and transit mixer. For the next project is 25XP0062. The contract name is the Network Development Program, Road Widening, Tertiary Roads, Tanawan to the Dami Road along station units, K7928 plus 930 to K7929 plus 012. The contract location is in Tanawan, Leyte. And the approved budget for the contract is 6,860,000 pesos. The contract duration is 100 calendar days and 7 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. The type of works, this has also two civil works. For civil works 1, This is road widening with a total length of 0.104 lane kilometer, 2 lanes. I mean three civil works. For the second civil works, for slope protection, this has a total area of 222.56 square meter. And for the drainage, civil works 3, this has a total length of 74.80 linear meters. For the major categories of works, RCP roads construction PCCP for civil works 1. For the civil works 2, this is in minor category of works, RCSPS, roads construction slope protection using structural measures, for example, pre-treatment, retaining structures, and wire net. And for the third category of works is FCN, flood control, construction, drainage, closed and open conduits. The scope of works, other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, miscellaneous survey and staging, installation of project billboard, professional safety and guard program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. For earthworks, it includes the clearing and grubbing, individual removal of trees 150 to 300 mm diameter and 301 to 500 mm diameter. Removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures and obstruction with 0.23 meters thickness, PCCP and reinforced, and also 0.3 meters thickness, ACP. Structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from borrow, common soil, and subgrade preparation, common material. And for the sub-base and base course, this includes the spreading and compaction of aggregate sub-base course. And for the surface course, this includes the pouring of carriageway with 0.28 meters thickness, 7 days. For miscellaneous structures, this includes the furnishing and transplanting of trees, application of reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. 1. For drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the laying and installation of 5 culverts, class 4 RCPC, and stone masonry. And for the bridge construction, for construction of box type drainage, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, structural concrete 27.58 megapascal plus 828 days. And for finishing and other civil works, this includes the metal structure accessories. For the minimum equipment, transit mixer, cargo and service truck, dump truck, payloader, bulldozer, backhoe breaker, motorized food grader with scarifier, vibratory loader, water truck and pump, crane compactor, backhoe mounted, applicator machine, and kneading machine. And for the next project, it's going to be IC 0063. The contract name is Network Development Program, Road Widening, Tertiary Roads, Tigbao to Bulak, Santa Fe Road, along station limits, K0910 plus 920 to P0911 plus 136, and K0911 plus 168 to P0912 plus 367. And the contract location is in Santa Fe, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 49 million pesos. The contract duration is 219 calendar days and 22 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos, and the type of work this has 2 civil works. For civil works 1, it is road widening with a total length of 2.30 lane kilometer, 2 lanes. And for the civil works 2, for slope protection with a total area of 1,387.736 square meter, stone masonry. For the major categories of works, RCP, roads construction, PCCP. And for the minor category of works, RCSPS, roads construction, slope protection, using structural measures, retreatment, retaining structures, and wire net. And for the scope of works, For other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, miscellaneous survey and staking, installation of project billboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities. For earthworks, this includes the clearing and grouting, individual removal of trees 150 to 300 mm diameter, and 301 to 500 mm diameter. For removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures and obstruction, 7.23 meters thickness, CCP, and reinforced. Structure excavation, common soil, excavation ordered below plant elevation, shoring cribbing and related works, cribbing and copper damming. Embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, and subgrade preparation, common material. And for the sub-base and base cores, this includes the screening and compaction of aggregate sub-base cores. For the surface core, this includes the complete pouring of carriageway 7.28 meters thickness, 7 days. For bridge construction, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, and structural concrete 27.58 megapascal class A 28 days. For the miscellaneous structures, this includes the furnishing and the transplanting of trees, application of reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings of white and yellow. For plain and reinforced concrete work, this includes the liquid concrete. For drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the laying and installation of pipe culverts class 4 RCPC, and stone masonry and hand-made rafting embankment. And for the minimum equipment, transit mixer, cargo and service truck, dump truck, payloader, bulldozer, backhoe with breaker, roller crane, light hammer, welding machine, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, water truck and pump, concrete spreader, water truck screen, water buffer mixer, backhoe wheel mounted, cargo and service truck. For the next project is 25 IC 0064, construction of one unit, two-story multi-purpose building, senior citizen center, and other related works, government center, Palo later. The approved budget for the contract is 6,930,000 pesos. The contract duration is 104 calendar days and 26 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. And the type of work is construction of multipurpose building. The major categories of works is BIPW2 PLC, buildings construction without piles, low-rise concrete frame, 1 to 5 stories. For the scope of works, for the other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization. For the earthworks, this includes the clearing and grubbing, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, and gravel pit. For the reinforced concrete, this includes the structural concrete 4,000 PSI plus 828 days, lean concrete, fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar grade 40, and installation of form works and post works. For the masonry works, this includes the installation of CHB non-load bearing, including RSB with thickness of 100 mm and 150 mm. Fabricated materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, installation of finishing hardware, aluminum frame glass doors, beam type, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, owning type, and fixed type. Wooden doors and windows, PVC doors and frames, and metal structure accessories. For the finishing works, this includes the installation of ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame fiber cement board, installation of glaze tiles and trims, and glaze tiles, synthetic granite tiles, cement plaster finish, reflective insulation, installation of railing, painting works, this includes the painting works of masonry and concrete, and wood and steel. For the roofing works, this includes the installation of fabricated metal roofing accessory gauge 26 with 0.551 mm. Flashings and the installation of prepainted metal sheets above 0.427 mm corrugated type long span. For metal structure accessories, third buckle, bolts, and rods, sub-rods, cross bracing, steel plate, structural steel trusses, and purlins. For plumbing works, this includes the sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines, and plumbing works. For electrical works, this includes the routing of conduits, boxes, and fittings, wires and wiring devices, installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures and lamps. For mechanical works, this includes the installation of fire extinguisher, 4.54 kilograms ABC bracket, and a fire alarm system. For the minimum equipment, dump truck, concrete vibrator, cutting outfit, backhoe, plate compactor, concrete, one bagger mixer, welding machine, payloader, and bulldozer. For the next project is 25 IC 0067, rehabilitation of multipurpose building, Barangay Victoria, Santa Clara, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 5,940,000 pesos. The contract duration is 152 calendar days and 26 regular main calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. And the type of work is rehabilitation and major repair of multipurpose building. The major categories of works is VIR, buildings repair. For the scope of works, for other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization. For the type works, this includes the removal of structures and obstruction, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, and gravel fill. For reinforced concrete, this includes the structural concrete, 4,000 piece at class A 28 days. Fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, and installation of forms and postworks. And for masonry work, this includes the installation of CHD non-load bearing, including RSB with thickness of 100 mm and 150 mm. Fabricating materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, installation of finishing hardware, aluminum frame glass doors, sliding type, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, owning type, and fixed type. Door flush, door woods panel, PVC doors and frames, and metal structure accessories. For the finishing works, this includes the installation of ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame, fiber cement board, fascia board, 19 mm, fiber cement board. Waterproofing 7 days. Installation of glaze tiles and trims and glaze tiles, synthetic granite tiles, cement plaster finish, installation of railing. For the painting works, this includes the painting works, masonry and concrete, painting works of wood and steel. For the roofing work, this includes the installation of fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26 7.551 mm, ridge and head rules, and flashings 0.701 mm for gutters, and installation of pre-painted metal sheets above 0.427 mm for gated tile long span. For the metal structure accessories, this includes the subgrats, structural steel trusses, and purlins. For the plumbing works, this includes the sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines, plumbing works, and cistern. For electrical works, this includes the wrapping in of conduits, boxes, and PVs, wiring devices, and installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures, and lamps. For mechanical works, this includes the installation of fire extinguisher, 4.54 kilogram ABC bracket, and fire alarm system. For the minimum equipment, dump truck, concrete vibrator, cutting outfit, backhoe, plate compactor, concrete, one bagger mixer, welding machine, jackhammer, and air compressor. For the next project is 25 IC 0069. The contract name is the Network Development Program, Road Widening, Primary Roads, Palok, Carigara, Ormoc Road, along station units, K7921 plus 722 to P7921 plus 743. The contract location is in Barangay Tira, Santa Fe, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 1 million pesos with a contract duration of 11 calendar days and 1 regular calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 1,000 pesos. The type of work This has also two civil works for civil works 1. The road widening with a total length of 0.029 lane kilometer, 2 lanes. And for civil works 2, this is for the construction of drainage with a total length of 8.70 linear meters. For the major categories of works, RCP roads construction PC2, and for the minor category of works is FCF flood control construction drainage closed and open conduits. For the scope of works, for other general requirements, this includes the installation of project billboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, and for the earthworks, this includes the clearing and grubbing, removal of structures and obstruction, removal of actual structures and obstruction with 7.23 meters thickness, PCCP and reinforced, structure excavation common soil, excavation ordered below plant elevation, during grading and related works for digging and chopper dam, embankment from roadway and structure excavation common soil, embankment from borrow common soil, and subgrade preparation common material. For the sub-base and base course, this includes the spreading and compaction of aggregate sub-base course. For the sorbing scores, this includes the complete pouring of archway with 7.28 meter thickness, 7 bays. Under bridge construction, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, and structural concrete 27.58 megapascal plus in 28 days. For the miscellaneous structures, this includes the application of reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white. For the plain and reinforced concrete works, this includes the lean concrete. For drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the hand-laid rock embankment. For the minimum equipment, capacity user, car one service truck, dump truck, payloader, bulldozer, vacuum with breaker, backhoe, roller crane, viper bomber, welding machine, water pump, motorized road grader, vibratory ruler, water truck and pump, concrete screeder, water truck screed, one bottom mixer, plate compactor, and concrete vibrator. For the next project is 25 amps, 0069. Network Development Program, road widening, primary roads, Palo Carigara Pamuk Road, along station limits, K0921 plus 722 to K0921 plus 743. The contract location is in Barangay Tibag, Santa Fe, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 1 million pesos. The contract duration is 11 calendar days and 1 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 1,000 pesos. The type of work, civil works 1, with road widening, 0.029 lane kilometer 2 lanes. Civil works 2, 8.70 linear meter for drainage. For the major categories of works, RCP roads construction PCCP, and for the minor categories of works, FCN flood control construction drainage used and open conduits. For the next project is 25 IC 0070, rehabilitation of multi-purpose building, Barangay Baculanad, Santa Fe, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 5,940,000 pesos. The contract duration is 102 calendar days and 26 predetermined calendar days. The cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. The type of work is the rehabilitation and major repair of multi-purpose building. The major categories of works is VIR buildings repair. For the scope of works for other general requirements, this includes the permits and clearances, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization. For the earthworks, this includes the removal of structures and extraction, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from borrow, common soil, and gravity. For reinforced concrete, this includes the structural concrete, 4,000 PSI plus 8 days, fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar, 2040, installation of walls and false works, masonry works, this includes the installation of CHB non-load bearing, including RSB with thickness of 100 mm and 150 mm. Fabricated materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, installation of finishing hardware, aluminum frame glass doors, wing type, aluminum glass windows, sliding type, opening type, and fixed type. Frames, jacks, seals, heads, transoms, and mullions, doors wood panel, PVC doors and frames, and metal structure accessories. For the finishing works, this includes the installation of ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame fiber cement board, fascia board, 19 mm fiber cement board, waterproofing, 7 base, installation of glazed tiles and frames and glazed tiles, synthetic granite tiles, cement plaster finish, reflective insulation, and installation of railing. For the painting works, this includes the painting works of masonry and concrete, painting works of wood and steel. For the roofing works, this includes the installation of fabricated metal roofing accessory, H26, for the ridge and head roofs, for the flashings, for the gutters, 0.701 mm, and installation of pre-painted metal sheets about 0.427 mm for metal type long span. For metal structure accessories, stud rods, turnbuckle, boards and rods, cross bracing, and steel plates. For structural trusses and purlins. For plumbing works, this includes the silver line works for drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines, and cistern. For electrical works, this includes the wrapping in of conduits, boxes, and fittings, works and working devices, installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, lighting fixtures and lamps. For mechanical works, this includes the installation of air conditioning package split type fire extinguisher 1.54 kilograms ABS bracket and a fire alarm system. For the minimum equipment, dump truck, concrete vibrator, cutting outfit, backhoe, plate compactor, concrete, one bagger mixer, welding machine, jackhammer, air compressor, and cargo and service truck. So the next project is 25I60071, construction of Colosa to Subvictor, Tabon-Tabon Road, and Awan Wiglet. The approved budget for the contract is 144,750,000 pesos. And the contract duration is 330 calendar days and 29 predetermined calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 50,000 pesos. And the type of work is construction of concrete road with a total length of 4 lane kilometer 2 lanes. And for the major categories of works is RCB, roads construction, PCCD. And for the scope of works, other general requirements, this includes the miscellaneous survey and staging, installation of project for design work, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization, permanent monuments and markers, permits and clearances. For earthworks, this includes the clearing and planning, removal of trees 150 to 300 mm diameter, removal of structures and construction, and suitable excavation, structure excavation, common soil, excavation for below plant vegetation, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, and embankment from borrowed common soil. Subgrade preparation, common material. For the subdigs and base cores, this includes the spreading and compaction of aggregate subbase cores. For the surface cores, this includes the concrete pouring of carriageway and reinforced 0.28 meters thickness 7 days. Under bridge construction, this includes the fabrication and installation of reinforcing steel bar grade 40. Concrete pouring of structure to the 7.58 megapascal plus 28 days. For drainage and slope protection structures, this includes the stone masonry and the hand-laid rock embankment. For the miscellaneous structures, furnishing and transplanting trees, application of vectorized thermoplastic painted work is one, and for plain and reinforced concrete works, this includes the plain concrete. For the minimum equipment, transit mixer, cargo and service truck, concrete vibrator, backhoe, dump truck, chainsaw, hay loader, concrete saw, motorized road grader, vibrator ruler, water truck and pump, concrete spreader walker, fast grid, bar cutter, single phase, plate compactor, one bobber mixer, backhoe, wheel mounted, and bulldozer. For the next project, 55IC 0078. Construction of multi-purpose building 1, Alang-Alang, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 49,500,000 pesos. And the contract duration is 233 calendar days and 39 predetermined calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. The type of work is construction of multi-purpose building. The major categories of work is VICWO PLC buildings construction without pipes, low-rise concrete frame 1 to 5 stories. For the scope of work, for other general requirements, this includes the purchase and clearances, installation of project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization. For the earthworks, this includes the removal of structures and obstruction, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation, common soil, embankment from borrow, common soil, and gravity. For the reinforced concrete, this includes the structural concrete class A, 14 days, link concrete, fabrication and installation of reinforced steel bar, grade 14 and grade 16. Installation of forms and false works. For masonry works, this includes the installation of stage B download bearing, including RSP with thickness of 100 mm and 150 mm. For fabricated materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, installation of finishing hardware, steel doors and frames, aluminum frame glass doors, main type, aluminum glass windows, fixed type, frames, jumps, sales heads, transoms and modules, doors, wood panel, metal structure accessories. For finishing works, this includes the installation of ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame fiber cement board, installation of tempered glass with 10 mm, waterproofing cement base and glazed tiles, cement floor finish with floor hardener, cement plaster finish, aluminum cladding and installation of railing. For the painting works, this includes the painting works of masonry and concrete, painting works of wood and steel. For the roofing works, this includes the installation of fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26, flashings and bridge rib rules and installation of pre-painted metal sheets about 0.227 mm corrugated type long span. For metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, bolts and yards, stab rods, cross bracing, steel plates, structural steel trusses, and purlins. For the plumbing works, this includes the sewer line works, storm drainage and downspout, septic wall, concrete stage B, plumbing fixtures, cold water lines. For electrical works, this includes the wrapping in of conduits and boxes and fittings, wiring devices, installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, light fixtures and locks. For mechanical works, this includes the installation of air conditioning package spirit type, automatic fire sprinkler, and fire alarm system. For the minimum equipment, dump truck, concrete vibrator, cutting outfit, backhoe, spade compactor, concrete, one bagger mixer, welding machine, jackhammer, bar cutter, bar builder, and truck mounted frame. For the next project is 25IC 0087. Construction of multi-purpose building covered for Barangay Kabatsan, Alang-Alang, Leyte. The approved budget for the contract is 9,900,000 pesos. The contract duration is 159 calendar days and 27 pre-term calendar days. And the cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. The type of work is construction of multi-purpose building. The major categories of work is VICWO PLC, buildings construction without piles, low-rise concrete frame 1 to 5 stories. For the scope of works, this includes the for other general requirements, permits and clearances, project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization and demobilization. For earthworks, this includes the individual removal of trees, 150 to 200 mm diameter, structure excavation common soil, embankment from roadway and structure excavation common soil, embankment from borrow common soil, and gravel pit. For reinforced concrete, structural concrete class A with days, reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, and formworks and post works. For masonry works, this includes the installation of CHP, non-load bearing, including RSB 150 mm. For fabricated materials, this includes the carpentry and joinery works, finishing hardware, aluminum glass windows, folding type, frames, jambs, seals, heads, transoms and mullions, doors, wood panel, metal structure accessories. For finishing works, this includes the fascia board 19 mm, fiber cement board, unglazed tiles, synthetic granite tiles, cement floor finish with floor hardener, cement plaster finish, and reading. For painting works, this includes the painting works of masonry and concrete, painting works of steel, and textured finish. For roofing works, this includes the fabricated metal roofing accessory H26 for ridge angles and flat finis. Installation of pre-painted metal sheets about 0.427 mm for native time span. Next is installation of metal structure accessories for turnbuckle, bolts and rods, sub-rods, cross bracing, and steel plates. Installation of structural steel, trusses, and purlins. For plumbing works, this includes the sewer line works, septic vault, concrete and CHP, plumbing fixtures, and cold water lines. For electrical works, this includes the wrapping in of conduits, boxes, and fittings, wires and wiring devices, installation of panel board with main and branch breakers, installation of lighting fixtures, and lamps. For the minimum equipment, dump truck, complete vibrator, cutting outfit, backhoe, weight compactor, concrete, one powder mixer, and building machine. I will just mount for the re-advertisement for IC 0049.
Advertisement.
We have one project po na on my modification.
Straightening.
I have no copy of the advertisement. I have no copy of the advertisement. It's box export.
Ano to for IC 0049?
I have no copy of the notice of
Office lang
review.
yun, no big.
Ano mo yes?
Ay, naka. Sanay, hindi ko alam. Ha?
Okay.
Ay,
Waiting for IC
nasa ako
709.
copy. Sige.
24 IC. Of 24 IC 009, network development road widening tertiary road, Tanawan Dalami Road along Station Dix, K0928 plus 802 to K0928 plus 930 Tanawan Limited. The approved budget for the contract is 6,860,000 pesos within a total calendar days of 73 calendar days. The It was declared failure bidding for contract ID 24 IC 009. On the said advertisement, there was a three, there are three contractors, namely Titania Construction Development Corporation, IDA Junior Builders and Construction Supply, and Clara Lewis Builders Supply and Services. For the aforementioned project, it was for when was the first advertisement of the free process for advertisement? The first is scheduled bidding ba? Saan ba? Siguro bid na ito. Anong date? Siguro. The invitation to bid was posted in Philchips last February 2, 2000, February 2 to 22, 2024.
Reading date. Almost na to. Ang billing date ba?
It's 40 plus per month. Really problem.
February ba?
May ka?
February 2 to 22.
Declare ito.
The, yung pag-eligibility check is on February 22, 2024. 22. February 22. Yun ang billing.
Do we have a notice for that project? We are creating some meetings.
Ano yung sa inyo, sir?
Oh, ang class dito nga mo, pero tinanggap natin so as i-rebate kay student iba ang quantity. Kaya pwede na.
And so far, the conclusion, for the sorry. So yun, nakuha din kasi yung Jessica. I'm sorry, ma'am.
So it is not.
It is not included for this, for this ITV.
Para December 19 pati billing ko.
Oh, so,
For 19.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Maybe December 6.
Pa.
Maybe December 6.
Hindi nag-message siya.
Do we have questions regarding what Mr. Ministerial was reading? Do you have experts coming from the Bangkok community? Do you have
Comment.
no comment, no observation because everybody was not listening. So for the financial survey.
Financial, all those mentioned by our engineer, all these items from number 14 under PGA 2025. And the procurement process will be until schedules are scheduled. However, at present, we are not scheduling the income of 2025. Shortly, siguro, early part of January, we can now issue the notice of month.
Okay. So any other
Regarding land at accreditation,
yeah, let us discuss about that because we already
Yes, everybody told me.
I will first adjourn our previous conference. So any comment, observation coming from anybody in the room?